Hi, my name is Abdul Muiz, and today I will present my research title, the diversity, or I will share my experience during my field trip, which is the diversity and species richness at Mount Alap. Okay, my research objectives are two, which is to study the biodiversity and species richness at Mount Alap. Second is to increase the species collection. Next is the types of specimen or sample that were obtained during my field trip. Okay, firstly, invertebrate, for example, beetles, ants, dragonfly, Coleoptera, mollusks, Cnidaria, and much more. For plant species, there are like, for example, leaves, part of the plants, and fruits. There are also some mushrooms and mosses that were found at Mount Alap because Mount Alap is a cool place. I mean, low temperature. Okay, the specimens maybe were kept in two different conditions, which is wet specimen and dry specimen. For invertebrate, there are several different preservation methods that are used, some of which include dry preservation, pinning, and liquid preservation. The specimen were kept in alcohol. For plant, the specimen may be whole plants or plant parts. Usually will be in dry form mounted on a sheet of paper, but depending upon the material may also be stored in boxes or kept in alcohol or other preservative. Usually these specimens were used in a herbarium for reference material in describing plant taxa, or some specimen may be types. For the mushroom, it will be dry in an oven. Okay, the condition of the place after sampling. The condition of the place must not be disturbed, which means do not cut any plant that we're not gonna use, or don't collect any animal or species that are not for the research. Only collect the specimen that were needed, which means only collect the specimen just enough for research. Do not collect more than that. Next is all the equipment or tools that were used for sampling must be sure to take back to the campsite, because we cannot leave any equipment or tools at the site, because it can disturb the place or the animal or species around the area. Okay, the next is the condition of the tools or equipment after work. Okay, so the tools or equipment that were used for work were kept at one place and clean. Usually the equipment or tools after use will be kept at the center at the campsite, because it's easier for people to know or count any equipment. Okay, for the small tools like jar, needle pin, or alcohol, or something like killing jar, were kept in a box, so it won't lost. Okay, before leaving the camping site or the research site, make sure all the equipment or tools were enough, and count all the equipment before leaving the site, to make sure that all the equipment and tools are enough, like before arrive at the site. That's all from me. Thank you.